In this video I'm going to show you how to add collaborators in your Google Forms. So what we have created a quiz. Make sure the title is correct and of course that your quiz is finished. Now once you have finished the Google form, then we can invite people to collaborate with us within this form. Now we need to locate the icon to invite people to this form. So we will go to the share option right on top in the interface and there we will select share. Click on that and as you can see I'm the owner of the sheet, but there are no collaborators added yet. So that is what we are going to do. I will use a sample email address, so sample@hotmail.com. So we will use this for an example. As you can see, we can use a responder, so you can email the form to people so they can respond on this form. But we would like to add collaborators. So we will select the editor option and now people can edit this form if they want to. So you can collaborate with them and they can edit the form for you. Let's say you want to use freelancers to create the perfect Google Forms. Then you can invite them to access this form on Google Forms and they can start editing it for you. You can also add a message and of course select notify people so they will be notified that they've got access to the sheet or to the form, and after that you can send it. Once you click on send, they will receive the notification to enter this sheet and they can accept it. Once they have accepted it, they need to log into their mail in this account on Google to access the form. And that is basically how you add collaborators in Google Forms. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!